Mosley, and this is my garden from Sierra Harvest. Before I knew about Sierra Harvest, I was doing all my shopping at the grocery store, sometimes at farmers markets when I could afford it, but with 7 kids, it doesn't make it an easy prospect to provide nutritious, healthy food. My grandfather was old world Italian. I remember going to his garden as a child, green beans as big as your arm. It was like being in a fairy tale. I've always wanted to give that to my children. The adventure, the magic that comes with seeing these things start out so small and become this beautiful thing that not only feeds your family, but feeds your soul. When I first applied with Sierra Harvest, we had 4 posts in the corners and some chicken wire going around it. Sierra Harvest gave us this massive dump truck with 6-7 yards of soil. They brought the fencing. They helped us build all the boxes. Having all these people come together to help my children grow stronger and broaden their horizons as far as what they eat and how they eat, they've given me a gift. You know, my son Matthew is 12 years old. And like most kids, he wants to listen to music and watch YouTube. He got back from summer camp, and the first thing he did, it wasn't a shower, it wasn't I'm hungry, I want some candy or junk, or can I just lay down? It's I'm gonna run up to the garden real quick, is that okay?
The first thing I did was go to the garden because I wanted to see how much the plants have grown and developed. And I got to cut off like 5 different things, so it was really fun.
With this garden that Sierra Harvest has built for us, we have the ability to make time, to be a family, to come up here and work together.
I take out dead leaves. I just try to do as much as I can.
I had a magical experience when I was a child. I don't know if I will ever be able to meet the standards that my grandfather set for us. But my kids light up when they come in here. So it may not be the fairy garden of my childhood, but it can be the fairy garden of theirs.
I'm probably gonna teach my own kids when I grow up how to garden and everything. It's just really nice and fun to garden. I'm really excited for next spring, and I really can't wait.
My name is Andrea Mertens, and I am the teacher here at Cottage Hill Elementary Preschool. When I was little, if it was green, we didn't have to eat it, because my dad didn't enjoy anything that was green. And even getting older now and having children of my own, I kind of found myself in the same pattern that I don't often buy fruits and vegetables. When Sierra Harvest let the school know that they were going to be dropping off produce to all of the classrooms, I have to say I felt a little bit of anxiety. Many parents would find out, oh my goodness, Miss Mertens, she doesn't eat fruits and vegetables. If I'm gonna ask my students to try the vegetables, well then I should try them myself. And so I kind of consciously decided that I was just gonna go along with Sierra Harvest as a trial and error. There were gonna be trials, there were gonna be errors of things I did not like, and then there'd also be some positive that would grow from that. In my class, we do everything as a team. And so as a team, we all get our vegetable of the month, and we all take a 1, 2, 3 and give it a bite. We might like it or we might not, and that's okay. There are quite a few vegetables I liked. And there are some items that I will actually say, yeah, I didn't really like that one very much. How about you? You know, to somebody who did. And I'll have other students who will yell out, but I liked it, Miss Mertens, I liked it. Perfect, well you can like it. And today maybe I don't like it, but I'll try it again. I feel like as a mother, I've kind of stepped up a little bit. Now I'm taking the time for my body to have a healthier lifestyle.
It makes me feel pretty good. I'm happy on my mom, and I'm super excited that my mom is doing new things and trying new stuff.
It's made quite a change. My husband's very happy because now he's able to incorporate the vegetables and the fruit into the meals and not have me or my boys kind of, what is that on our plate? Now we're actually okay eating everything on the plate.
My favorite thing I've eaten from Sierra Harvest is the pea shoots. They're really, really good. We always ask my mom, hey, can you go buy some pea shoots while you're at the grocery store? And usually she does sometimes. And right when she comes home, me and my brother just grab a spoon and dig in.
My name is Sandra Higuereta, and this is the Higuereta Family Farms in Browns Valley, California. This is a small farm on about 9 acres of rolling hills of small gardens. When I got my foot in the door with Briar Patch, I was doing 20 bunches of cilantro. And I got a little check, and I'm like, yahoo! I got some money for this cilantro. You know, and then I started realizing I wanted to make a living at this instead of just a yahoo.
My name is David Benson, and I'm the produce manager here at Briar Patch Food Co-op. Briar Patch Food Co-op Produce Department is an all-certified organic produce department. We can't really work with one-hit wonder where, okay, I've got a huge amount of something and I need you to take it right now, but then I'm not going to have anything next week or tomorrow. That consistency of supply, that uniformity of quality, those are aspects of the produce industry that are not as common in sales to restaurants or sales to farmers market.
I felt maybe I can't keep up with this. And at that point, I was almost feeling like I wanted to throw in the towel doing this farming project. I was getting these emails from Sierra Harvest, and there was an email that was offered to apply for a scholarship to go to EcoFarm. I applied and I thought, let's just give it a shot. After I came back from EcoFarm, I get another email that there's a Farm Biz class through Sierra Harvest. And that's what I have in my head now for this upcoming season. So I know exactly what my ability is to produce for the commitment that I have. From there, then they offered another class. And that was to help on becoming a certified organic farmer. Another very daunting issue. I was very scared of the application and a lot of things that I didn't understand about it. And here we are now, a certified organic farmer. If I hadn't had the intervention and guidance from Sierra Harvest, I probably would have thrown in the towel.
In order to build a sustainable food system, we need to not only provide access to markets, we need to give the kind of support that ensures that these farms can get past that sort of make or break first 5 years. And Sierra Harvest has really just stepped into farm incubation, farmer training, farmer education, and support, you know, on a lot of levels.
We have a large commitment for the fall, and Briar Patch now feels confidence because I've taken that final jump and launched into becoming certified organic. I've gone up to the store, and as I'm shopping or if I'll see somebody buying a bunch of basil, I get so excited. And sometimes I almost want to say, how do you like it?
And the connections and the networking that Sierra Harvest fosters between farmers and community is just crucial. It's basically how we're going to continue to build a sustainable food system here in the Sierra foothills.